Here's another thing that will happen. The moment you become an adolescent, you will start to notice things about your body. You will notice the curves, you'll notice the biceps on people of the opposite sex. You will notice that they are desirable. You will begin to experience desires in you that your peers will pressure you to act upon. Don't do it. The Bible says in Song of Solomon, chapter 8, verse 4, I adjure you, daughters of Zion, do not awaken love before its time. The Swahili have a saying, macho hayana pazia. I want to say, hayana pazia kweli, lakini yana kope. That's why Job said to himself, and it is written in the book of Job, I have made a covenant with my eyes not to look upon a woman lustfully. You can decide not to look. Dear teenage boy, you can decide not to lust. Yes, you can. And why am I telling you this? For no apparent reason. I am telling you this because you'll be pressured for no apparent reason to do things that are not beneficial. You will be pressured for no apparent reason, and if you do give in, you will get into trouble and mess up your future. I don't want you to do that, teenager. I love you with the love of Christ, and God loves you. He wants you to grow up and be somebody and do great things with your life at the appropriate time. So why am I telling you this? No apparent reason.